To buying mushrooms to getting fresh ones is that the bottom is sealed. It's not opened, and that's how you know it's fresh. Mushroom from the inside to the outside, and that way you don't need to wash your mushrooms. Mushrooms that have been peeled, and we're going to be making a cream of mushroom soup. All our cut mushrooms. Our soup, our mushroom soup, we're melting a stick of butter. Adding our slivered mushrooms, they're cut in itty bitty tiny pieces, into the butter, into the melted butter for our mushroom. Lots of liquid is being released from the mushrooms, and they're just simmering away. We have flour. We're going to add flour to our sautéed mushrooms. And stir, stirring the mushrooms with the flour. And it's been a few minutes since the flour was added. Adding water to the mushrooms and the flour mixture. Stirring constantly. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt to the mushroom soup. We're adding a little bit of pepper to the mushroom soup. Whipping cream to our mushroom soup, and now voila, it's become cream of mushroom soup. Chopped dill to our mushroom soup. That should add a really nice flavor to it. And we're going to stir it around. And our mushroom soup is, our delicious cream of mushroom soup is ready.